In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Jira to work faster. If you spend a lot of time managing tasks, updating issues, or reviewing work in Jira, keyboard shortcuts can save you a surprising amount of time. Instead of clicking through menus again and again, you can move through common actions almost instantly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the most useful shortcuts from the list provided and explain how to use them smoothly in your daily workflow. To get started, log into Jira and open any Jira space or issue. Once you're inside, press the question mark key on your keyboard. This opens the Shortcuts panel where Jira displays a list of available keyboard shortcuts. This is a great place to begin because it helps you learn what commands are available in your current view. If a shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure your cursor is not actively typing inside a text field. One of the fastest shortcuts to learn is creating a new issue. Press C on your keyboard and Jira will open the Create Issue window. From there, enter the issue details just like you normally would. Once everything is filled in, click Create. This is especially helpful when you need to log several tasks in a row and want to avoid navigating back and forth through the interface. Next, if you want to find something quickly, press the / key. This opens search so you can immediately start typing your search words. After that, select the issue you need from the results. This shortcut is useful when you already know what you're looking for and want to jump straight to it without manually browsing through boards or lists. When you're reviewing multiple issues, you can move through them much faster with J and K. Press J to go to the next issue, and press K to go to the previous one. These keys are especially useful when working through a queue or scanning a list of tickets because they keep your hands on the keyboard and help you stay focused. To edit an issue more quickly, open the issue and press E. Jira will switch into edit mode so you can update the details. After making your changes, save them as usual. This is a simple shortcut, but it makes a big difference if you edit issues throughout the day. If you need to add a comment, open the issue and press M. Type your message, then submit the comment. And finally, to assign an issue, open it and press A. Select a user, then confirm the assignment. With just these shortcuts, you can work much faster in Jira and reduce a lot of unnecessary clicking.